Hello friends, welcome to this new week. We shall be looking at how you can use Microsoft Power BI. So, what is Microsoft Power BI? Microsoft Power BI is an interactive business intelligence tool that was developed by Microsoft for data visualization. Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn unrelated data sources into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Power BI has three main parts, which help people to create, share, and consume business insights in ways most effectively serving them. The first is a Windows application, which we call Power BI Desktop. So this can only be installed on Windows PCs. Next, we have the Microsoft Power BI service. This is an online service, software as a service, and therefore you can only use it online. Then we have Microsoft Power BI mobile app, which can be used on Windows, iOS, and Android phones or devices. So, what are some of the uses of Microsoft Power BI? Microsoft Power BI as a platform supports users to aggregate their data, analyze the data, visualize the data, and share the data. So, as far as aggregation of the data is concerned, we are talking of a wide range of things which involve things such as counts, sum, average, mean, and max. Visualization of data, you can use bar charts, scatter plots, box plots, histograms, tables, matrices, cards, to mention but a few. We shall look at all of these things when we begin to dive deeper into the Microsoft Power BI desktop. So stay tuned throughout the week as we look at the different components. Thank you and happy learning.